Oh, that thing ain't big. Lord, I thought it was big. I could have picked that up by myself.
So it looks like we're gonna have some fun today, trying to get this air conditioner installed on top of the Palazzo. Let's see how it goes. Kind of excited. Sniffing it? Is it good? Is it good? Good boy. Come here, good boy. Is it safe? Good boy. I think it's safe. Roscoe says it's safe. Is it safe, Roscoe? We're good. Oh, look at that. Ooh. How cool is that? All I have to say is, it's gonna be fun. Rear AC. Off. All right, so these air conditioners have a 12-volt system, and they have 120-volt AC system. Make sure I do this like hitting metal or something with this needle those pliers. That'd be really stupid, wouldn't it? Guess what? The front AC went off too when I just did that, so I know that's definitely it. So we're good. Let's move on to the next phase of this process. Taking this cover, shine it right there. You see this right here? We almost had a fire right here. You see this? That was almost a fire because someone poorly assembled this air conditioner. Now, I mean, I don't think that's the reason why it was not working, but as you can see how melted that is, that's bad. That was a fire getting ready to happen. Okay, let's take another look at this fire hazard. Shine your light, Kevin. Y'all see how much the heat had burnt through the rubber and melted up here? You see how much of the rubber has melted off of the wire? And you know what? I really almost wonder if the thing was not working right, or there was a bad connection up here that could have caused this air conditioner to fail. Okay, so the wires on this thing, they were attached with a wire nut half-ass. Dude, this look at that. Look how far back. That was not cool at all. Look at it. Oh my god.
That's just no.
Dude. That's not cool. That's not cool at all, bro. Let's see how bad this one is. And I don't understand why they put tape. I don't understand why they put tape. I mean, I don't understand why they put tape around them and wire nuts. I don't get that. The neutral wire was bad. The hot wire, which is actually black, was that won't bad at all. And y'all wonder why motorhomes, you see them going down the road and they're in flames and they pull over the side of the road and the motorhome's burnt down. This is probably one reason why. If you're running the air conditioner going down the road, which we ran this air conditioner a lot driving down the road to keep the back of this coach cool with this engine back here running. It gets hot as fire back here. So anyway, that's disturbing, Kevin. Here we go. There's the wire. Look at this. Oh man, look. Got a little hot, didn't it? Right there. She got hot. Matter of fact, it melted from that end, which goes up into the air conditioner, and this is the supply line from the RV. It melted. Look at it black. Every bit of that. I'm probably so close. Half inch. Oh, and it's loose. Oh, is great. It gets better. It gets better. Let's see if this one's loose. It ain't tight.
It's
That's a long blow. God almighty. Let me tell you something. I work out at the gym. When you hold your hands over your head, working, doing something, it's hard. You know what? There's no telling what else is just a motorhome that's liable to self-destruct. I think if it burnt to the ground, will be the best thing that ever happened. Did I just say that? I did just say that. As long as we're not in it and it's not in my barn, you know.
And there's nothing at least of decently valuable.
No one dies. You know, no one gets injured. No one gets hurt.
At least
it could burn to the ground.
valuable.
I'd be happy. Let it burn. I mean, really. Because I can tell you what, there's evidence of poor quality construction and things. That's for dang sure. Okay, we're recording. So what I'm doing is I've got a brake. So for this, in order for this bottom piece to come down, when I first got the motorhome, I taped this up really good because it was letting air pass from the output to the intake. So obviously that's a bad situation, and so I'm having to loosen this up. What's holding it?
No, it's just stuck in here.
Hang on. I think it's something else holding it right here.
No, there's nothing over there.
There it goes.
It's on the, yeah, there.
Okay, hang on. Go easy. Don't pull the roof stuff down.
Yeah.
Go that way. There you go.
It was just
I got it. There's a hole. There's a hole. Look, hole. Don't fall in that hole. That might hurt. What's all this? I don't know what that is. That air conditioner's a whole lot
smaller, yeah.
Yeah, it's taller, but
Well, it's taller, but it's also
all
smaller.
right, let's finish with you. That hole? That it? That's it. I mean, there's nothing else to do except look at it and almost beauty. I had the real thermostat on 84. Of course it went off. The front one's at 77, so I just fixed that. I'm getting kind of used to this thing. You touch it and it like lights up. I don't know. Let's see. It'll grow on me. Pretty cool. I hope it comes back on. We'll see if it comes back on. It should. The purple with white stripe and the red with the white stripe you see it, are the furnace wires. It's always a good idea to have a box of these around, especially if you have an RV. One-handed crimp, there you go. Boom, that's it. Okay, I've got all my wires taped up. They look good. It's done right. I got them taped up all the way to the conduit going inside the conduit for the Palazzo right here. So everything's all nice and neat and wrapped up. You know, you want to make sure you do it right the first time. You don't want a bunch of wires flopping around inside your air return. You know, you're trying to sleep in the bed at night. You know, you're trying to sleep in the bed at night and you're laying back and you hear something going flop, 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 flop. Well, you know what? It's because you probably didn't tie some wires down or something. So I won't have to worry about that problem here. It's going to be nice and quiet. Wires all taped up. Yeah, it's going to be right. Done right the first time the way it should have been done. All right, so here it is all buttoned up. Looks real nice, looks professional. Check it out. Everything's good, everything's taped up real good. I even taped up my freeze wire so it wouldn't flop around inside there. Got it routed up to the coil. Got all the wires over here connected. Everything's tight. I may tighten up my AC supply one more time just to make sure it's good. But that's just an awesome job. I mean, I don't know. There was a bunch of wires flopping around here from the factory when they did it. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, that's the way it should have been done. Professional. Love it. Alright, it's been a long night, but here's the finished install. 2 different Dometic thermostats. Old one, new one. New one's pretty cool, I must say. Lights up pretty. But I'm not exactly sure if I like the way, I mean, I can touch it several times and it will not work properly. I still got my old one. I'm not gonna throw it away, so we'll see. Okay, just for comparison, I want to see what the difference is between the temperature from the old air conditioner from the coach to the back of to the air conditioners in the back. So the front is putting out, let's see, looks like it's about 62, 63, 66. I'll go with, let's go ahead and get it right on there. I'll go with 62 on the front. So the new air condition, 54, 55. The lowest I've seen is 54 right here, 55. That's awesome. That rear AC don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. It's a little different than the front one, but it's all good. It's still a Dometic. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can see any videos that I may produce and load up on YouTube. But I don't have that much time to make YouTube videos. I do it because I like it. I enjoy doing it. But just really don't have much time to make videos. But it's something I enjoy doing. So thanks for watching.